Hello there. In this video, we will go over how to use integrated timesheets for projects and payroll. Let's introduce Erin. She is an employee that needs to record her timesheets. Typically, she submits her times to her approving manager Michael, but is constantly having to chase up with both him and the payroll administrator Pam to see if it has been approved and processed. As an employee, the first step to entering her timesheet into the jobs module is for her timesheet manager or payroll administrator to have her set up as an employee resource and create a timesheet for the week. Once the timesheet has been created, she can log into Wiise and will see that a timesheet is waiting to be entered, as it will display on the Team Member Role Center dashboard. Clicking on the activity tile will open the timesheet window. You would then enter the start date, select the job number, and job details by choosing the task number, the work type code, which is the pay category pulling from payroll. This is important for you to get paid accurately, as it will apply the correct costing info based on the time worked, start, break, and end times, and also apply any applicable award rates that are maintained in the payroll module. You may select normal hours or change the work type code to things like annual leave, overtime, and so on. Then enter start and end time. You will notice total hours worked up at the top. As an employee, you can either enter times yourself, copy lines down using the function F8 key, copy lines from the last timesheet, or even create timesheet lines from the job planning lines scheduled by the project manager. You can even add attachments. For example, you could upload a picture from your phone if you were working at a client site and your approving timesheet manager requires that the client signs off that you have worked those hours or completed the job. You can also add additional comments to provide a more detailed description for the time you've worked. The fact box on the right shows the total number of hours worked. By selecting lines and activity details, here you can choose if the work is chargeable or non-chargeable. What else should you know as an employee? You can add multiple lines for the day, say if you work a half day, and take the rest of the day off for sick leave. Or if you are working at different locations and your timesheet manager requires your time to be tracked at a different cost center using the job task number. You can also log into web or mobile to use timesheets. Once you are happy, you can submit your timesheet. Click Process and Submit. To submit the timesheets for approval, you can choose which lines to submit, all of them or just the one you selected. Notice how the status on the line has been changed. And that's it. You have successfully entered your time and provided your manager with any additional details about the job. Once your manager has approved the timesheet, the status column should change to Approved. From there, the payroll administrator will process the pay run, so you can get paid on time. Entering your time in Wiise is a straightforward process and saves time from manual disconnected systems. Streamline how you work with Wiise. Thanks for watching.